So the next topic is what is SQL. Okay, so what is SQL? SQL ante, yes, we know, everyone knows SQL is a structured query language. Okay, SQL is a structured query language. Okay, structured query. Q ante S ante structure, Q ante query, L ante language. Why will use language? Okay, why will use language? Okay, language is to communicate the, okay, communication between the members. Okay, so communication between the, so like suppose English language is for global communication, for everyone to communicate. Telugu language is only for Telugu people to communicate. Okay, language is used to for communication, right? Language is mainly used for the communication. Okay, the same way SQL is a language. So here what is the communication between, where we have the communication between what? So ikkada manaku communication ekkada madhyalo, deni madhyalo. Okay, so here is the communication between data and user. Okay, so data and user, that is the communication, guys. Okay, that is the reason it's a called as a structured query language. Okay, SQL called as a language. Okay, so it's main talking about structure, right? It's mainly talking about the structure. Structure means, like, suppose structure means table, guys. Okay, table. So suppose if you want to courier something, okay, if you want to courier something, so what do you want? You want some box means one structure. Okay, one structure you required. Okay, so first of all, to create that structure, okay, we have a different types of commands, SQL commands. Okay, let me open a paint. We have a different types of SQL commands, case. Okay, so the first one is, so we'll write SQL command. SQL commands. Okay, we have a 4 different types of SQL commands. Okay, 4 different types of SQL commands. Okay, the first one is DML commands, guys. Okay, first one is DDL. Okay, DDL means data definition language. DDL means data definition language. Ikkada manaku here we have, so this structure creation. Okay, here we will talk about the structure creation. Okay, here we'll talk about the structure creation, right? So we are talking about the total structure. So structure means, so to create a structure, what you want? So the command is, first one is create. Okay, first one is to create. It's totally talking about the structure. Okay, it will create a structure, and then so alter structure. Okay, structure, we are not talking about the data, guys. Okay, here we are talking about the structure only. Okay, we are creating. Okay, if you want to keep a data, okay, if you want to keep a data, you need some structure. Okay, so it's totally talking about, DML command is totally talking about the structure only. Okay, DML commands totally talking about the structure only. Okay, create means it will create a structure. Okay, it will create a structure. Alter means, so you can do some modification about your structure. Okay, alter will alter the structure. Okay, and drop means it will drop the total structure. Okay, truncate means it will truncate. Okay, truncate the data in a structure. Okay, and rename. Okay, rename means, so after creating a structure, if you want to rename that structure, you can rename the structure. Okay, this is a DDL commands, case. Okay, this is the DDL commands. Okay, this is total talk about the structure only. Okay, these commands totally talk about the structure. Create means, okay, whatever the objects you want to create in a SQL, so we have a different types of objects, like create table name. Okay, like that. Okay, create table name. Okay, create view name. Okay, create view name, like this. Okay, and create function name. Okay, create function name. Okay, here view name. Okay, this is the function name, guys. Okay, here the function name, and whatever you want to create, so just use the create and then object name and then the name of the object. Okay, so is that clear? So create syntax is always like this, case. Okay, create, so table aithe, if it is a table, so you can use a table keyword. Okay, if it is a view, you can use a view. Okay, if it is a function, you can use a function. Okay, if it is a procedure, so you can use proc or procedure. Okay, anything is fine. And then procedure name. Okay, procedure name. Okay, so these are the names of the your objects. Okay, so it create will use even alter also. Okay, alter also, if you want to alter table. Okay, alter table. Okay, if suppose you have created with the 4 columns table. Okay, if you want to add one more column, or else you want to drop one more column. Okay, you can go with the table, alter table name, and add. Suppose if you want to add a column and then data type case. Okay, column name and then data type, you can add that. Okay, will come that like latter part. But so this is total about. Okay, alter and create and everything will discuss about the total about the structure only. Okay, it will discuss structure. Okay, it will not discuss about the data. Okay, it will discuss about the only structure. Is that clear, guys? Okay, clear Gada? Yes. So the next one is DML commands. Okay, here DML commands. Okay, here we will discuss about the data manipulation language. DML means data manipulation language. Okay, data manipulation language. Here we have, okay, here we are going to talk about the data. Okay, data and how to insert the data. Okay, how to insert the data, how to update the data, and how to select the data and how to delete the data. Okay, here, so hope you got the comments. Okay, what are the comments you will get here? I think it's very clear. Okay, why? Because it's totally talking about the data. It's not talking about the structure. Okay, it's talking about the data only. Okay, insert, update, delete, and then select. Okay, these are the commands we have. Okay, and then next one is, okay, insert means it will insert the data in a table, guys. Okay, it will insert the data in a table. Okay, update means, so if you want to update the data in a table, suppose so the country, okay, suppose you have moved from India to US. Okay, so if you want to update, okay, so and so employee is moved from India to US. Okay, you want to change his address. Okay, then you can go with the update. Okay, and then delete. Okay, if you want to delete entire table records, you can delete. And also if you want a specific record you want to delete, you can go with the delete. Okay, it's totally dealing with the data. Okay, so how to insert the data, how to update the data, and how to deal the data, and we are manipulating the data. So that is the reason it's a DML commands. Okay, we are manipulating the data, that is the reason it's called as a DML command. Okay, okay guys, so we have a DCL command and TCL command. Okay, DCL command and then TCL commands. Okay, so DCL command, DCL, and then TCL. DCL means data control language and TCL means transactional control language. Okay, TCL means transactional control language. Okay, DCL means data control language, to control your data. Okay, so you want to give a specific controls. Okay, so give a grant access and remove access, then you will go with the DCL, guys. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, to control your data you will go with the DCL. Okay, so grant access and revoke access. Okay, so grant access and revoke access, you will go with the DCL. Okay, if you want to give access on your view or table, okay, so you can go with the sorry, just a minute. DCL means what? Grant and revoke. Okay, you can grant something. Okay, grant, and then revoke. Okay, grant and revoke. So that is data controlling. Okay, so if you want to remove, you can remove him, and you can grant. Okay, that is TCL. Okay, and then TCL case. Okay, TCL. So what is the TCL? Transaction control, right? So here we will talk about the control. Commit mean, suppose you have some transactions. Okay, so like, so it will stop the deadlockings, guys. Okay, so suppose you are querying, both are querying same table, and that is taking more time. So if so, one person will be in a queue and another person will be in a accessing data. Okay, if you are both at a time, if you're trying to enter both at a time in the same room, it will stop. Okay, it will deadlock. Okay, you will both will be stopped there only, right? So that is kind of things. Okay, deadlocks means, so if you are trying a same person trying to access the same table at a time, okay, if it is taking more time, then the deadlocks, okay, will happens. And commit means, okay, if you want to roll back changes, suppose you have done some changes. Okay, so by mistakenly that changes is happened. Okay, you have deleted some data. Okay, but I don't want, so by mistakenly I have deleted, so how I can get back the data? So for that purpose, you can go with the rollback. Okay, rollback. Okay, this is one. So it is controlling the transactions. Okay, whatever the transactions you have done, so it's controlling. Commit means, okay, whatever the updates or insertion is done, so I'm committing the transactions. Okay, I'm committing. Okay, so yes, you can apply this. Okay, that is commit. And then save point and set transactions. Okay, next one is save point, and the last one is set transactions. Okay, so these are the TCL commands, guys. Okay, so we'll talk about this individually. So first we'll talk about the DML, DCL and DML. And DCL and TCL is not for us. Okay, mainly for administration kind of thing. Still, if you want to learn, yes, we will discuss in a latter part, but we'll mainly focus on, okay, we'll mainly focus on DML and DDL, guys. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss about the DDL and DML in detail. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. And so if you like my video, share and subscribe, guys. Okay, yeah.